you're going to notice that the serger right here is going to become a lint ball. All the cutting from that knife is just going to leave you fuzz after fuzz. You could even see what color you just serged by what color this area is. So first, you do have a brush that comes with this serger. So work to get as much of the lint pulled out and removed from inside. This is where I don't recommend canned air. Don't blow into the serger. It's actually going to push more in than it actually pulls out. So we're brushing and we're removing it, not pushing it further in. A brush like this is going to make quick work of all those linty areas. A Q-tip, a makeup brush, anything like that is going to help. And if you have a vacuum with some of those miniature vacuum attachments, go in and suck it all out. Now, you can even clean out those little air holes. You can take the looper threader and pull a small piece of yarn through this area, and you can almost kind of like clean in the pipes, clean that right on out, and you can get it to come right on through and kind of give it a nice little fresh start down through there. Not a lot of lint's going to get down there, but over time that wouldn't be a bad idea to do. Now, I know this serger does not come with oil, but you probably have oil with your sewing machine, and I want to show you where you could put a couple drops. Once the serger is cleaned out, so free of lint, if you turn the hand wheel, you notice there is a shiny piece of metal going up and down through this square column. That is where you can put a little drop of oil. So just like when you oil something and it's kind of sticky and fresh, you're going to serge and the lint is going to kind of go and get stuck to that oil. So it's kind of a constant battle. You're going to pull out the sticky lint after a while, put new oil, and then the lint will kind of come back. But you can also find kind of down at the bottom of that post, there's kind of a little knuckle down there too that you can put a little drop of oil. Why not? This is a good time to refresh your serger, especially after a very linty project. And then once a year, take your serger into your local Pfaff service center, and they will take care of everything behind these covers. And there is moving parts, metal against metal, and they will take care of making sure everything is aligned and lubricated for another year of serging.